So now we'll create a topic 12 with 4 partitions and the replication factor is 2. So I've already created that earlier using this command right here. So I use the node 0 to create that, but let me just create it again right here. So we have the replication factor 2 partition 4. So it will return an error because the topic already exists. So this is using our zookeeper or our node 0. So now let's test on listing the topics. So let's start from 0 right here. So when we run this, it lists down our topic. We already have our problem 12. So we use 0. Let's try it again using 1, just to make sure that this cluster is working as expected. So it's just returning the same result. So we can connect on any cluster, on any node in the cluster, and then do our query or message send and message consumption. So and then the other requirement is to examine the cluster, ensure all replicas spread on nodes, show all ISR. So what the command that we use to do that is this on the Kafka topics with this describe option or parameter. So let's clear this. So we run this command using our zookeeper node 2. So let's run this and let's check on if this is updated. So we see that we have our 4 partitions right here, and the leader for this partition, and the replicas we have, they are in sync. This one are in sync. I think, I'm not sure about this, but and then this one are in sync. So this is our the overview of our partition, or detail of our partition. So then let's check on the console producer send few events for problem 12 topics. So let's do a message send from this using our node 2, or we can use just any node to do our test. So let's try that. So we already sent that message to our topic 12. Let's check. Let's do the consumption right here. So earlier we used our topic 2, our zookeeper 2 node. So let's run it again here. So we will be doing the consumption of the message from the beginning. Since I've already tested some message earlier, so this is what appears in our topic from our consumer. These are the messages that we sent. So now let's check on another requirement. Kafka nodes do not. So let's take down the node 0. So let's take down the node 0. So what we're gonna take out is this. We will remove this process with the PID 3984. So when we do another process view, we only have a zookeeper in node 0 right now. So what we're gonna do is let's check on the topic or the partition or the ISR detail. So we can still, yeah, right here. So we see that we don't have our node 0 anymore right here. So the leader is just 1, 2, and the node 0 was out. So this is the description of our partitions right now. So then let's check on the Kafka logs. Let's see what was the, since we took down the node 0. Let's do a tail on this. So let's see. Should have expired. Let's see what happens here. So it was started, then remove edge. So since we killed our the process, we don't have this running right now. So now let's put it back. So let's run another producer and consumer and see if we can still receive messages. Let's try that again. Since we took down one of the nodes from our 3 nodes, let's try our producer send again right here in our node 1. So let's run this again. So we have written that to our topic. We send that message to our topic, and then let's consume that message using this command again. So since we took out the node 0, so let's just use this. Let's try using our node 0 here. Let's experiment if that will work. Looks like it's still fetching the messages. Yes, we already took down this node, but it's still getting the messages. I think it is being a failover. There's a failover mechanism going on. So let's check on the description. Let's try to get the message from our node 2. So we're still getting the message correctly. Then let's get a message from node 2. So we just have the same result. So there is some form of a failover that is going on with the cluster. So let's see on the. So let's check on the ISR state. Let's see what's going on with the topology of our partition. So as expected, we still don't have the node 0 right here. So these are the replicas, but the ISR is still, we don't have our node 0. This is just a zookeeper running right now. So now let's restart Kafka on that node. So let's restart Kafka for node 0. So now we see that our Kafka server is running right here with the zookeeper. Okay, now let's check on the ISR. Let's describe our let's do a topic describe. So we see that we again see that the node 0 is in the ISR. So there was some sort of a failover, and there's a durability in the downtime of that node, but it does not affect the cluster or the entire application. So there's just a durability. So I believe that we completed our requirements for problem 12, and thank you.